Gawa tayo ng mga inumin. Ito. Ito kay. Blue Hawaii. This is my favorite. You put rice. I will kick you. I will spank you. You make it. This one, strawberry flavor. There's a hero comes along with the strength to carry on. Only, don't put anything, basta rice. Kapitan natin yung sa kanila. Nam. Tropical fruits pala to. Ada. Aywa. And you know you can survive. There's a hero. If you look inside your heart. Where is your straw? Sharmila. Where is your straw? Kapitan ko sa kanila. Ay, malaki ang baso ko. Tagay, pray! Oh, wow! Cheers! Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all.